Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change the formula separator in Excel from a semicolon to a comma and vice versa. This instantly fixes those annoying formula syntax errors when you are copying spreadsheets from different countries, allowing you to use the exact list separator formatting that matches your regional project guidelines. Just like default currency systems, Excel locks its baseline equation separator rules directly to your computer's operating system configurations. First, move your cursor down to your Windows taskbar. Click on your Start menu search field, type Control Panel, and hit Enter to open your main system dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the window layout. Ensure your View by Configuration dropdown is set to large icons, and click on the option explicitly labeled Region. A detailed configuration pop-up box will appear instantly on your screen. Look down at the absolute bottom right edge of the Formats tab pane and click the button headed Additional Settings. A secondary properties layout box called Customize Format will slide open. Ensure you are on the Numbers tab pane and locate the specific selection entry box explicitly labeled List Separator. Click that Choices drop-down box layout. Highlight the existing character rule, and type a comma or a semicolon, depending on your exact syntax preference. While you are here, ensure your decimal symbol property box is set correctly, as Windows automatically switches to a semicolon separator if your decimals are set as commas to prevent syntax confusion. Move to the bottom right corner of the Window Properties box, click the Apply button, and then click OK on both open configuration screens to lock the new formatting rules into the Windows core registry. Open a fresh spreadsheet file inside Microsoft Excel, type out a standard formula layout, and watch your new list separator configuration render perfectly inside your tooltips. And that's it. Your system-wide Excel formula syntax separator configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.